Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be straight to the point, a makeup tutorial. This is going to be very realistic. Like if I woke up in the morning to go to work, this is exactly what I would do. And also, I'm just going to show you guys like the real deal behind the scenes. I have to clean a lot of my makeup when I show it to you guys. In this video, I'm not. Yes, I did get the largest bottle that I could find. This is one of my favorite setting sprays from Milani. I think I mentioned this setting spray in one of my vlogs. And you already know we have to moisturize. Oh no, I'm almost out. In the morning, I'm so tired when I'm doing my makeup. So this may slightly be a little bit better than what I do Monday through Friday. And then I do have an eye cream. This is Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost Gel. And I'm just gonna lightly tap this under my eye. Grabbing a little bit more. I'm gonna do this to the other side. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this step I do miss a lot in the morning. I do this at night before I go to bed. I'm taking my milk. This is a, see, I should know. It's a blur stick. I'm just taking my e.l.f. This is the Hydro Camo Concealer. And I'm going to place this under my eyes. And just in places I have really bad scarring. And this is an e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Yes, I do have false lashes on. I know I told you guys in a video, I don't like this kind of stuff. I don't like to do anything that sticks, you know, that I can't take off my face, or like hair extensions. I don't know. I've been loving my lash extensions and I've been doing them myself for a couple of months now and I really like it. Now, have I torn my lashes off? Absolutely. Absolutely. But I need these lashes. And plus, I do them, so it's a lot cheaper, you know, than going to somebody else. Okay, now that my face is pretty much concealed, or all of my, okay. Now that my face is concealed, I grab my brush, and I'm looking for a highlight. This is a Proclaim, see, I forgot how to do this. So we're just gonna do a little bit of bronzer. Then I'm grabbing my Rose Blush. This is also from Milani. I don't know what piece just broke off. Oh, and as a professional, don't ever blow on any of your products. It's unsanitary. But this is my stuff, so. Also, I've started doing my nose. I'm one of them. I don't know where the lid is to this. Is this what I've been using? No, this is Bobbi Brown Soft Honey powder. I've been putting it in an Anastasia Beverly Hills lid. And one thing that I do, I spray my beauty blender and then I pick up the powder. Tap any extra. And I still highlight like everybody did in 2020 or maybe like 2019 when they told us to stop doing this. Yeah, I still do it. But it works for me. Do what works for you. In 2022, do what works for you. Okay, boo? So I'm going to brush this off my forehead because I need to do my brows next. Everything else is going to stay. And then my lips are super dry, so I'm just taking some Carmex. Don't judge. I know a lot of people who still use Carmex, and I know a lot of people who don't. I love Carmex. Oh, and did I show you guys my earrings from Amazon? Aren't those cute? So as I'm baking, and I have a whole drawer full of makeup. I have it on two sides. My powders, since those are super messy, I put them on this side, and then my makeup that I usually use every single day. It's like my go-to. I keep on this side. So let me first take my soap. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. Spray it with some setting spray. This helps keep my brows in place. You can also use gel, like that Got To Be gel. I do that as well. And I'm just gonna brush up my brows. Yes, I do need to get them done. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline brow pencil. And if you want to clean your brows up just so they don't look too crazy, kind of like cover up some of that hair, you can do that. See how that kind of covered up the hair? You can do that. And then I'm taking my L'Oreal. This is just some brow gel. The soap is already going to keep your brows in place, but there is a little bit of color that I've added to this brow gel. By the way, this is my troubled brow. Oh, by the way, this makeup look does not take long, I promise. No matter what, I will always have highlight in between my eyes. Because as a Scorpio, we steal the souls. I'm just playing. But I do like to keep a highlight in between my eyes and my nose. And then also, I don't even know why I had this brush, because sometimes I do use my fingers. Like, let me just really show you guys how I get down. I am going to remove the powder. This is the Smoldering eyeliner from L'Oreal. I don't add mascara, but I do add this black diamond. I got this up at Amazon. I think it just helps your lash extensions last a little bit longer. You may think this is a little weird. I'm trying to clean it before I show it to you. But I do take an eyebrow pencil and I use it for my lip liner. I saw this all over TikTok. They said your lip liner is going to be whatever you use for your eyebrows. And of course, this is not my natural hair color. My natural hair color is black, but I've been dyeing my hair for almost 2 years now, golden brown. aka spiced rum. Taking my Revlon Ultra HD lip color. Last, I'm taking, this is a MAC, I think this is Mirror. This is going to be our last step, is to spray our face once again with some setting spray. Take my little clips out. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.